Mold yourself. Hi guys, please press the subscribe button and bell icon on the YouTube app. And never miss another update from Mold Yourself.
Detox water is help your body get rid of toxins, improve your energy levels and help you lose weight. Detox water. Number 1 Apple Cinnamon Detox Water. 1 gallon water, filtered or bottled. 3 to 6 apples. 6 cinnamon sticks. Bring water to boil. Slice your apples as thin as possible. Add apples and cinnamon sticks to your simmering water. Cover it, strain water into glass, refrigerate it for an hour and enjoy. Number 2 Cucumber and Mint Detox Water. 1 lime. 6-inch cucumber, sliced into rings. 5 to 7 mint leaves. 2 cups of ice. Water. Pour water into the large pitcher. Add lime, cucumber and mint sprigs in it. Cover and refrigerate for 1 to 8 hours. Strain the water and enjoy.
If you want the full recipe, see the description below.